Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and realizing your income is entirely detached from a manager, a commute, or a standard salary. AI is allowing independent operators to pull in anywhere from an extra $500 to $10,000 a month. Yet, if you look closely at the numbers, you find a harsh reality. While a fraction of people are building highly lucrative businesses, the vast majority trying to monetize these tools earn absolutely nothing. Which brings us to a glaring contradiction. If everyone on Earth has access to the exact same free text and image generators, why is the market willing to pay you for the output? This visual equation explains why. The money isn't in the software itself. It is found in the human intervention, the specific skills required to translate raw artificial intelligence into actual business value. We call this the profit gap. To sustainably monetize AI, you have to move up a ladder of economic value add. This pyramid shows how. We categorize the 7 most viable AI side hustles into 3 distinct levels of required human intervention: accuracy, curation, and systems. Understanding which tier your skills fit into dictates whether you are building a scalable business or simply playing around with software. Let's start at the base layer. Every single day, modern businesses burn through an endless supply of blog posts, thousands of daily marketing emails, and dense, complex industry reports. AI acts as a massive accelerator for this workload, instantly gathering raw research and drafting thousands of words of copy. But raw output has a severe bottleneck. It is inherently prone to hallucinating facts and writing in a sterile, generic voice. This is where AI content writers and research assistants step in. They are hired to do the heavy lifting the machine cannot, cross-referencing primary sources, verifying exact data points, and meticulously refining the text so it speaks directly to a specific target audience. This side-by-side comparison chart illustrates the transition. You have chaotic, disconnected data on the left, but clients are paying for the structured information on the right. They are paying for the accuracy premium, a human guarantee that the information is actually reliable. Moving up to the second tier, we enter the realm of consumer media, video, design, and courses, where aesthetic taste and emotional resonance are mandatory. The software handles the mechanical heavy lifting here. It generates clean voiceovers, slices through video edits, and mocks up graphic design concepts in seconds. Yet, a generated logo is useless if it clashes with a company's established brand identity. A faceless YouTube channel will flatline if the topic doesn't engage real human psychology. The ultimate test of this tier's logic is the AI-powered online course. Algorithms can structure the lessons, format the slides, and generate the study materials. Look at this split-screen blueprint. Consumers don't buy courses because an AI built the sterile presentation on the left. They pay for the polished solution on the right because it solves a specific, painful problem in their lives, like losing weight or coding. In this middle tier, you operate as a creative integrator, bridging the gap between sterile machine generation and genuine human empathy. Finally, we ascend to the highest tier of financial leverage. This is where you solve structural, operational problems. Most small businesses are paralyzed by internal friction. They waste countless human hours on repetitive tasks like tedious appointment scheduling, manual data entry, and answering the same customer support emails over and over. An AI automation service provider identifies these exact bottlenecks and builds custom workflows to resolve them, routing data instantly without human input. Similarly, an AI consultant steps in to audit a company's entire operation, recommending specific software tools and training the staff on how to adopt them effectively. Operating here requires deep, precise diagnostic skills. You have to find the structural inefficiencies hiding inside a business, rather than just delivering a single creative asset. As this flowchart demonstrates, you take a complex, tangled process and streamline it. At this level, you aren't selling AI tools or written content. You are selling time back to the business owner. There is no magic money machine. As the underlying technology improves, raw, unedited AI output will eventually face total commoditization. The real assets are your intrinsic human traits. Hard work, creative problem solving, and adaptability remain the ultimate unautomatable skills. Securing long-term financial independence in the modern economy depends entirely on positioning yourself as the strategic bridge between what the software can do and what people actually need. You have to evaluate what you bring to the table. whether that's an eye for design, a talent for writing, or a knack for systems thinking. So look at these 7 paths. Which one will you integrate with your unique human skill set to construct your new income stream? Let me know in the comments below.